Hello and welcome to this video, where we will be taking a closer look at the official silicone case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus. Fun, vibrant and soft to the touch, this simplistic yet very modern case is a great stylistic accessory for your new Note 10 and 10 Plus. The rubbery, grippy nature of this material adds a different kind of protection as it stops your phone from slipping off surfaces and sliding out of your hand when texting. I really like the fun, vibrant colours on offer. There are 6 colours to choose from in total, with 3 universal muted colours and 3 fun colours that really help your phone stand out. I like the blue, red and pink options as I feel they express more personality compared to the usual black and white designs and keep in check with the fun, energetic Aura Glow design that Samsung are using as their flagship style. It feels really soft and the matte finish of the material helps cover up those annoying fingerprint marks that you get from shiny cases. Again, it's another slim fit design that benefits from the custom fit, meaning that all of your buttons fit perfectly in place and the case fits in all the right places, carefully framing your screen right up to the edges. It's available for both the Note 10 and the 10 Plus, and it looks great in both sizes. Although it doesn't protect the screen fully, it does give a buffer around the edge that cushions it slightly from face down contact with hard surfaces. The matte texture to the silicone naturally absorbs any sharp scratches, leaving you with a clean finish even with your everyday wear and tear. I like the raised silicone covering on the buttons. It keeps the dirt out while preserving the full function due to the adaptable nature of the flexible material. With these thinner cases, I would always recommend using a strong quality screen protector as it only really protects your phone from light scrapes and scratches as opposed to hard impacts. I'd always opt for the glass screen protector as it's always worth the investment due to the added clarity and responsiveness you get compared to the plastic versions. If you love the shape of your phone and want a case that doesn't hold you back, then this case is a fun accessory to your phone. Even though it covers up that beautiful Aura Glow glass back, it still preserves it long term, and with it being an official case, it still holds that premium Samsung look. I hope this review has helped you choose the perfect case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. If you've not found what you're looking for, then please like and subscribe to our channel, where you can find hundreds of great reviews and comparisons for the latest smartphone accessories on the market. As always, thanks for watching.